Welcome to the best picks. The best Creme Brulee Ramekins is probably one of the most sought-after kitchen gadgets for both professional chefs and home bakers who love to make this classic dessert, and today, we are diving deep into the world of disposable ramekins, exploring their convenience, cost-effectiveness, and overall impact on your creme brulee experience. We'll be looking at various factors to determine which disposable ramekins offer the best value and quality for creating that perfect caramelized crust and smooth, creamy custard. Number 5. PLASTICPRO Ramekins. These versatile ramekins are perfect for baking, serving, and storing your favorite treats. Get 20 in each pack. Each ramekin measures 3.5 inches in diameter and 1.5 inches high. They're ideal for muffins, cupcakes, and more. Made from high-quality aluminum foil, they have a sturdy rim and flat bottom for easy handling and baking. They're built to last. These disposable pans save you time and effort after your party or event. Simply toss them after use. They're safe for use in the oven and freezer, making them perfect for meal prep, storing leftovers, and reheating. Use them for baking muffins, cupcakes, soufflés, or even as serving dishes. The possibilities are endless. What we like? If you need a ramekin that can withstand both freezing and baking temperatures, this is a great option. Its durability ensures easy handling and prevents spills. This makes it perfect for meal prepping and reheating leftovers, or for baking and serving at parties. What people say? These are very sturdy, nice size. I've been freezing meals for the month lately and these were perfect for homemade pot pies. These work great for baking larger cupcakes. I made 3 leches cupcakes and these can hold all the milk. They are very sturdy. Perfect size for single pot pies. Is deep so have chunky pies. Number 4. 5-ounce Foil Ramekins with lids. It comes with 50 cupcake liners, 50 clear dome lids, and 50 spoons. They're sturdy and perfect for transporting your treats without extra holders. These jumbo muffin cups are made from food-grade aluminum foil for even baking and quick cooking times. They're oven, grill, air fryer, and refrigerator safe up to 250 degrees Celsius (482 degrees Fahrenheit). Each cup measures 3.3 x 1.5 inches, with a 1.5-inch tall dome lid ideal for frosted cupcakes. They're perfect for cupcakes, muffins, mini pies, and more. These tins are sturdy and won't deform during baking. Use them as cupcake pans and attractive serving containers, saving you time and cleanup. They're great for home use and events like parties and holidays, as well as picnics and camping. They're also perfect for restaurants and bakeries. What we like? This option provides everything you need for a complete dessert presentation. The included lids and spoons make it perfect for events where you want to serve individual portions elegantly. It's ideal for parties, weddings, or any event where you want to impress your guests. What people say? They looked adorable for our school project bake sale and performed exactly like I wanted. They were sturdy and we made cupcakes, muffins, and brownies in them, so very versatile. Great serving size per person and handled a torch just fine for caramelizing the sugar. The individually wrapped sporks are adorable. The lids seem secure and fit a 1-inch sticker perfectly. Number 3. EUSOAR Dessert Cups. These dessert cups can withstand high temperatures, so you can bake directly in the oven without any extra pans or trays. It's so convenient. Made from thick, sturdy aluminum foil, they have a smooth surface and heat up quickly, making them superior to regular baking cups. They're both disposable and reusable. Perfect for individual desserts like creme brulee, mini cheesecakes, or even pudding. These versatile cups are great for any dessert and any occasion, parties, holidays, or even as a beautiful presentation for a cake shop. The clear lids seal tightly, keeping your treats fresh and clean. Plus, they make transporting your desserts a breeze. What we like? If you're looking for convenience, this is it. You can bake directly in these ramekins without a baking tray. Their sturdy construction and attractive appearance make them suitable for both casual and elegant occasions. They are perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your desserts. What people say? Baked evenly, sturdy cups and lids. Can be stacked, frozen, great for lunchbox snacks also. Nice small size. Good for small portions, lids fit snugly, keeping things fresh. Not flimsy. Good quality. Perfect little tins for making creme brulee. Lots of options for designs. Number 2. EUSOAR Ramekin Baking Cups. These baking cups can withstand high temperatures up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. You can bake directly in them, no extra pans are needed. They're made from sturdy, thick aluminum foil for even heating and a smooth finish. Baking will be a breeze. It's the perfect combination of pretty and practical. They are disposable, but reusable too, ideal for individual desserts. These versatile cups are great for all sorts of treats and desserts. Perfect for parties, holidays, or even as a beautiful presentation for your cake shop. The clear lids create an airtight seal, keeping your food fresh and clean. Plus, they're easy to transport without needing extra boxes. What we like? These ramekins offer the same convenience and attractive presentation as the previous option, but with a slightly different aesthetic. The sturdy foil ensures even heating, while the attractive design makes them perfect for any occasion. If you like a simple yet elegant look, this is a great choice. What people say. The clear dome tops make a beautiful presentation. You can bake for cheesecakes right in the pan, refrigerate and serve. Perfect for parties, gift-giving and a burgeoning entrepreneur. They both professional and adorable. I love that you can bake right in them. The tops are really solid when they're on and don't fall off. Number 1. Beasea Ramekins with lids. These ramekins are the ideal size for individual desserts. Each 8-ounce cup comes with a lid, offering a perfect portion for your guests. They're made of high-quality, sturdy aluminum foil. This ensures even heating and makes them lightweight and easy to use. These cups go straight from the oven to the table. No need to transfer your delicious creations, saving you time and effort. It's a baking mold and a beautiful serving dish all in one. Simply bake and serve directly from the cup. From weddings to birthdays, these ramekins are perfect for any celebration. Use them for all sorts of desserts, and impress your guests. What we like? If you prefer a larger serving size, this is the perfect choice. The premium aluminum foil ensures even heating and easy cleanup. Its convenient design makes it ideal for serving individual portions at parties or events. It's great for larger desserts or generous servings. What people say. Perfect size, and they were very sturdy. It's sturdy, the size is great, I love the lids, you can stack them in the fridge, and they're also very pretty. I made creme brulee in them and mini pavlovas, they were perfect. These foil ramekins worked great for individual servings of apple crisp we gave as gifts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.